ต่อ
we make jumping frog
อ่า
what color you want
เอ็มอยากได้สีม่วง
okay purple jumping frog I will do red jumping frog so we start like this fold in half
เอ๊ะเอ๊ะเอ๊ะ
okay good then put it on the table put on the table then you take this side and fold it yes then you fold the thing out
yes
then you take this corner
uh-huh
and then to the middle line. You see? Yes, and the other side also. And then we fold it out. Then we take the bottom and we do the same. Then you fold it out after you do two bottoms. Then fold it out. You see 2x?
huh
You see 2x? 1x, 2x. You see? Then you flip over. Then you take the bottom and you see the line. You just fold it to the middle line. Use for two sides. Like this. You see this middle line? Fold it there. Now you do it for this side. Then you fold it up. And then you flip again. And then this is the hard part. You see the two hooks, you just push them inside. You see these two things, you put like that. You do this, and then you push this on top of it. Just this thing, and you push it to make one cargo. Now do it on the other side. Push this two in to the center. Yes. Then push that thing down. This. Now choose one side and then fold it to the top. For both, and do it on the other side. For one side, you see this? Then you focus there. And we do it for the other side. No. To here, to the top. And then do it for this too. Put it down the table and put it up. Put your other flat. Oh, we forgot to do this. This and that, and do it for here. Can you do it? Okay. No, to the top. To the top here. No, not down. No, not there. Not like this. You see, you pull this to the top. Now try. Yes. So now you put it on the table like this. Okay. If you see one of you're going to make legs, you just push like this.
อันนี้ไม่ได้เป็นดาบลำแหลมนะ
ไม่เป็นไรทำเลยไม่เป็นไร No. Fold it in half like this. Do it for the other side. Yes. Now do it for the bottom leg. You did it? Did you? Okay, done? Okay. No, this is here. This. Fold it in half. Now, flip it. And then the legs should be like that. Nope. Wrong. Like this. And then you fold the frog in half. Okay, you're done. Then you pull it out. You pull the half out. You made a line, right? You see this middle line? Then after that, you see this pointy tip. You just pull it to make to the middle. No. And now you do it on the other side. Okay. Now you see the pointy butt. You pull it up like this. this way, and then you put this inside. And then you see this pocket. You see, I'll do that for you because it will be hard. It's going to be hard, so I'm going to do it for you, okay? Does it look like a frog yet? Now, I will put this thing inside for you. Okay. Now you fold your frog in half. Your frog in half. Perfect. You can fold it in half now. Okay, now I'll just do this. And then I'll do this for you. Your frog is done. Look at this. You see the buttocks? Do this. Now, jump.